But does it eat pepperonis?
It's a baby bird in the middle of my yard. And there's no trees above us. So, where's your mom? I don't know. Are you learning how to fly? What's going on? Guys, what am I supposed to do with it? Oh, no, Mocha. No, 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 Mama. It's my cat. No, no, no. This is not food. Oh, poor baby. Hey, are you hungry? It's jumping.
But does it eat pepperonis?
What? No. We're not going to feed it anything. We need to find the nest.
Does it bring it?
Poor baby. No, we need to find the nest first.